LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, gluten, and grain-free version of an egg frittata. Eggs are a big part of living the gluten-free life, but truthfully they can get boring if you don't try new ways to cook them. This frittata makes a great meal any time of day and can take less than a half an hour to make. You can use leftover ingredients too, so it's very budget friendly. If you are looking for short videos with easy solutions to daily paleo life, look no further. Subscribe to LK Lifestyles and get notified of new videos every week. Here's what you will need to make a frittata, but use any combination of ingredients you have handy to make this your own way. 7 or 8 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of ghee or avocado oil, chopped veggies such as broccoli or green onions, chopped ham or bacon, shredded cheese if desired. I use Cabot lactose-free cheese, salt, pepper, and garlic powder for seasoning. Now let's make that frittata. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, whisk your eggs until well beaten. Season your eggs and stir in the shredded cheese if you are using it. In an oven-proof skillet, melt your ghee or avocado oil. Add the veggies and meats to the hot pan and saute them for about 5 minutes. Pour the egg mix evenly over your vegetables and turn the heat to medium. Allow the eggs to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the sides start to firm up. Place the pan into the oven and bake the frittata for 15 minutes or until it's firm all the way through. It should slide right out of the pan. Slice your frittata and serve it hot, but this also makes great leftovers. Feel confident that this dish is paleo, grain, and gluten-free as well as keto-friendly. And please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for new videos every week.